Hello people, thanks for watching Jamba 3D. Every now and then you find technical problems regarding to operating with Autodesk Maya, just like this. I think one of the problem is blackface, because at the beginning time I faced this problem too. That's two of my projects when I faced this problem. Then I search on YouTube and Google, but I don't get any proper solution. But finally, when I solve it by myself, I decided to make a tutorial for you. Today I'll show you how to solve this problem. Just a minute. Now open Maya. It could be any version. Don't need to select anything or import any project of yours. Just go to the lighting and select two shaded lighting. The problem fixed. Let's do it again in another project. This is how you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Jamba 3D.